Okay, I finished everything. As you can see, I got all the deck in. Got the hatch right here. Got my anchor in there and my collapsible oars. Got the seats mounted on and bolted down. Got the carpet. Got it wrapped around the edges, you can see. And the live fish well I got, that's all finished down in there. Got the floors done. Put some access panels so if I want to take the seat off there. So, figure since I got the seats, I'd keep them instead of buying some new ones. Maybe I'll think about that later. But got the battery boxes, the fire hydrant in. So everything's all complete. So that's it. All done, ready to get out there and reel in some big ones.